Hello everyone. I am Harish and I am a backend and DevOps engineer. In this series of live broadcasting, we are going to build a scale mesh that is a Vercel alternative built in Go language. So most of the part is built and some of the part is remained like reverse proxy server and watching logs and saving it to the log database and some core stuff. So in this series, in this introduction part one video, I'm going to set up this project because it was I leave it left it sorry I left it around 1 month 1 month ago due to my exams. Now I am resuming the project. So yeah, uh, so let me give you a brief introduction of the architecture of the scale mesh project. This is somewhat similar to the Vercel functionality that user can deploy their web application with ease. So we are going to do that. Uh, how we are doing that? That user is interacting with the API server, uh, the main backend server through which it posts the GitHub repo URL, and then it build that GitHub, then it build that web application into a separate container. ECS Elastic Container Service spawn up Ubuntu container in which it will build the files, build the build artifacts, and upload those artifacts to the S3 bucket, through which user will access their website from the reverse proxy server. So yeah, so let's build it. This part is already built, and today we are going to set up in our local again. So yeah, let's start. All the code is open source. You can check it out on GitLab. What happened? Sorry, yeah, not my chat system scaleless. Yeah, sorry, that's another my project. Okay, let's clean it. I think we do have the scaleless. No, yeah, I already have a old scale mesh. First remove that directory. Okay, and now let's clone the repo. I think there's a lot to build because the reverse proxy server is not working, and this part is basically not good because we are sending those logs of the building artifacts to Redis pubsub, and user is viewing through a WebSocket server. That is not good. We are going to send those logs into a database, and user can view those logs at any time. And another one is this reverse proxy server. Yeah, let's. And there's another part of it. So I'm building this whole application on cloud native side. So let's say if we are going to host this application on Kubernetes, it will mainly be Kubernetes dependent, not the AWS dependent. So uh, from the liability slice, AWS will be out. Okay, so let's check if it is clean or not. Yeah, let's open it. Mm, so I think we have a readme file and that is installed. Yeah. Let's start our main API server first. This one. Okay. First install the all the code dependencies. I think yeah, it have. and run the database. I think I already am running a database, I think. Let me check. Okay, not. No. And I'm exporting this web DB URI by which our application will be connected to Postgres database. I'm using Postgres database to store user credentials and user related information. And one is the session secret. In this project, we are not using JWT token sessions and just a normal cookie session. Okay. Now finally run the API. Okay. API is running on port 9000. Let's check it. Okay. Uh, Scale mass, yeah. This is the one. Okay, it is working. So yeah, so our API is working finally. Now, yeah, let's head over to the ECS cluster. So I think I already have a ECS cluster. I think Elastic Container. Okay, and yeah, there is a cluster. Yeah. So let me explain to you how it's working. It, right. So there is a build container, build server. So basically it is a yeah. So basically it is a Docker file, Docker container in which we are going to clone the repo and the user will be provide the link of that repo. We are going to clone that user's repo and build 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 that code and upload those artifacts into a build server. So let me show you main.go. This is our script. So what it is doing is cloning the repo, just cloning the repo and building the repo and uploading those artifacts to the S3 bucket. I think I have that S3 bucket. I Let's check it. Yeah, I do have that S3 bucket. And so far there are no users website. So let's test it. Test our website. First we have to create account. Normal stuff. User signed up successfully. Now then we have to log in. Logged in successfully. What is that? No, we do not want to log out. And then we want to create our this project. Send id is 1 and then now we are going to deploy. Okay, now it is showing the error 9000 deploy. What's the error here? Okay, why it is not deploying, man? Okay, let's check. I think there has been a problem on deploy. Let's check it. Okay, cmd api deploy handler. Yeah, okay, deployment handler. I think I have changed the route because I was testing the wait deploy ECS. Okay, so then yeah, when I make our project Kubernetes dependent cloud native, so then I think that time I have changed the route. So now it is deploy ECS. And don't worry, we are going to build that Kubernetes one also. What the heck? Deploy ECS. Why it is not working? Are there any logs? No. So wait. Deployment handler. Deployment handler. Okay, it is working. Post model deployment. Let's check. Unable to query the project. Yeah. Wait. I think why it is not showing any project. It return ID and we provide the okay, project ID. Deployment. Wait. We go to the model. I think something is wrong with the JSON payload. Build server. Where is the package models? Models. That is good, but project ID. Okay, let's now test it. Okay, I think we have to debug the issue. Okay, this is going to be fun. So I hope camera is working. Deployment header. Let me increase the font. So yeah, we are reading the JSON here. Deployment payload. Okay. Project ID. Okay. Now let's try to print. I think it is working or not. Oh, no. Yeah, I built our custom loggers. Deployment payload. Let's check it now. So I am sending okay 9,000 per post. What's the issue? Error, right error, boring SSL record, SSL TLS. Oh, okay. Sorry, my mistake. So there is a HTTPS. uh, So probably I am using at that time I deployed I think this server on EC2 instance or something, and then when that time I used a SSL certificate from certbot. Maybe it can be a possibility. I don't remember that. Yeah, the request resource code. Now finally it is working, but there has been error. Okay, the request resource could not be found. Deployment payload dot project ID. So why it is not? First check the route. We are using app logger. Sorry, using app router and deploy ECS. Deploy ECS. Okay, that is good. Post and deploy ECS requires what? Project deployment. Only the project ID, I think. JSON domain. Can I type? Error. The request resource could not be found. The request error.go. I think I have to make better loggers to find out where the issue really occurs. Error response message. I probably have provided error on 16th. Okay, here where I used in error logger now. Read JSON. Okay, in helpers, I think. In helper, read JSON. I don't think so. I'm using. Wait, first I have to identify that it is reaching our handler. Otherwise, it will all be a waste of time. No, it is not reaching. And yeah, what's the issue? Why it is not reaching that? Deployment handler it is. And in the routes, the deploy is yes, it is using deployment handler. Post, yeah, request is fine. Okay, yeah, okay, I found this. So when you see that I'm using slash v1 for versioning the API, and I forgot to. I think I update it at the end of the project, and I forgot to uh, modify here. So sending request, we got the successful status that it says start deploying. Visit on this. Okay. It might not work because I have not built the reverse proxy. So yeah, for till then let's check it is building or not. Let's go on the ECS. So it started. Uh, Let me show you. When I mm, when you spawn, when you hit give the API server the GitHub repo URL, it will spawn up a container on the ECS container, ECS service. So let's check it. Right, internet. I think internet is a bit slow. So go to the task. I prefer task because it is a it is a short run service. Essential container in task exited. Okay, let's check the logs. Cloning the app. Essential container in the task exited. Why it is exited, man? What have I done wrong? Wait, the task is stopped. Okay, let's check the logs. Error loading.env file. Dot env file. Error loading.env file. Yeah, it require .env file, but wait. We have to check address. No, this is Redis address. Build server in the error loading.env file. Okay, error loading.env file. Why it does require .env file then? Okay, in the .env. Okay, some Redis configurations. Why it is not built yet? Okay, I think we have to update our Docker build image and upload it to the. Okay, now go to the. And I uploaded my Docker image on Elastic Container Registry. So we are going to build our Docker this Docker container image and upload it to the container service, so it will be spawned correctly on the next run. Okay, this is nice. So why it is not saying, yeah, here we go. So now we are doing it manually updating it, but in future I will build CI pipelines on GitLab. It will be automatically. Okay. Wait. View push commands. Retrieve authentication. Okay. Docker build. It will take some time. Till then, let me check how the stream is going on. If anyone watching or not. .env file. Why it does require .env file? I think it is good. I think audio is decent. Okay, in the .env. Okay, some Redis configurations. Now we have to build a server image and upload it to the. I think now it have the .env file. Let me check. Yeah. Yeah. It have the .env file. Now it should work. After building, we have to tag the image accordingly to the private registry that we have. So, and there's a lot to work in this project. This project is fun, not was fun. Now the Kubernetes will be involved. It will be fun. I am building this application on live and deploying this application live. So stay tuned. Okay. Now what we are doing is, okay, now so it is building the Docker image. Let me show you the Docker file till then. So it is Docker. It is a multi-stage Docker build. Uh, so in the first half, we are using the Golang to build our Golang script, in which the Golang script is basically building the user's application and uploading the build artifacts to the S3 bucket. And in the second stage of the Docker, we are using Ubuntu, in which we are going to do the stuff. The stuff is we are going to run the binary Golang binary file in the second half. Okay, so as we do not need a Golang runtime and Golang stuff in the second half, we are just using a simple binary. I think it is the main. I like the main benefit or main thing about Golang is you can build a binary and just run it anywhere. I like it most. So okay, now Docker image is built and we are going to tag it, and finally we are going to push that Docker image. It is going to take some time. Till then, wait. Latest, and if we are going in the tasks, this is a task, and we have to check in the task definition that we are using the latest image or not. Okay, so it is active where it is, so that we are using our latest task. Sorry, latest. Latest. We are going to use the latest image. So I think it is, yeah, it is pushing the image. Let's check the size of the image. Sorry. Size of the image is 444 MB. I think which is decent. Uh, uh, Taking in my perspective that we are using Ubuntu image. So, so yeah, it is pushed. Let's check it again one more time. Yeah, January 21st. So now we have our new image and the new task. So I think it is time to run the task one more time. Wait, on the task and go to the task, go to the running status, and let's send it. It is going to trigger the, the container. Okay, so let's check. Yeah, here we go. So now we have the new Docker. Wait. Our logs will be displayed in no time. This is very much, this is a very good project. So you got to learn about application and also how to integrate your application with cloud native stuff. This is not cloud native. We are interacting with just AWS service. In the next video, we are going to interact with Kubernetes build, sorry, Kubernetes jobs and Kubernetes services. That is going to be one. Okay, now it is giving us hard times essential without zero logs, I think. Error loading again, error loading .env file. Okay. Okay, let's check that we have. Which error loading.env file? Which env file it is talking about, man? I think we have to check the script again. Project ID, project ID, get the project ID. Wait. fmt os.get.env project ID. From where it is getting that project ID? Wait. os.get.env. Wait. I have to check the handler. Unable to query. Check if the project belongs to load end user. Okay, configure the AWS SDK. ECS client. Run the ECS task. When I'm running the ECS task, I am providing the run ECS task. AWS. I'm passing the project ID also. Project ID and blah blah and shit. And in the let's check in the project ID. So here is our project ID. Project ID. Okay, I'm setting the okay. And yeah, so I think I'm pretty much setting the wait. Let's go to the main.com. S3 change directory and publish logs. I think I'm using publish logs. What? Yeah, publish logs channel. What am I even doing, man? I think I have removed the reddish thing, but not properly. channel up from deep. Wait. I think I don't need it. Okay, let's build the image again and do this one more time. Sorry guys. uh, I know it is taking some time. So I think my audio is clear. Wait, let me check one more time. S3 change directory and publish logs. I think I have to change the camera angle. I think. Yeah, publish logs. Channel. What am I even doing, man? I think I have removed the Redis thing, but not properly. Channel I think camera will be sorry. I will change it tomorrow. Yeah, image is built and now tag the image. Now it is tagged. Now post the image. Check once again. Let's double check that our task definition is using the latest image or not. It is showing the latest image, latest. And if we go to the, yeah, the latest one is on January 21st. Okay, that's why we need CI/CD pipelines, so we don't have to build this much. I know CI/CD pipeline is also it will take some time, but we don't have to do this manually. We just post code and see the magic of CI/CD. So I think tomorrow will be going to be fun. First, we are going to fix some known issues in the application and to deploy on the Kubernetes cluster. So first we are going to create the Kubernetes cluster using the Terraform, and then we are going to do the exciting stuff. First we have to go through the boring stuff. Okay. Now we are going to trigger that task again. Right. Here we are. Let's check the logs middle value. Okay, this is right. Okay, our task is provisioning. Status is pending. I hope this time it should work, man. Status is pending. Desired status running. Okay, last status running. Okay. I think we have successfully building the application. So it is building the application, and now it is going to build. It is a node. Sorry, React.js application. So it is going to build that application and upload those build artifacts. Build artifacts will be HTML, CSS, JavaScript files, and I'm going to upload those files on a S3 bucket. Let me open the S3 bucket also. Now it is building. Yeah, so it is already built completed. Uploading the build artifacts. So there are 3 to 4 files. One is the HTML file, one is image, and one is JavaScript CSS. Let's check our S3 bucket. So yeah, we have one S3 bucket by the name of scale mass S3. Okay, come on, man. and we are going to the output, and one is going to the, okay, there are our build artifacts. So now open link in new tab, and boom, here we go. Now it is just a white and react application, it is happy. So it is enough, more than enough for a demo. So that's it for the today, and tomorrow we are going to do this section. So I'm thinking of creating the first creating the Kubernetes cluster using Terraform, and I'm going to do it for the first time, and then we are going to deploy our whole application on the what I'm saying, yeah, Kubernetes cluster. We are going to use AWS ECS, and then going to fix some things. First thing is the logging mechanism, and then the reverse proxy, and we are going to handle also DNS records if it is required to give a unique URL to the user. So we are going to check that. So for now, Tata, bye bye. We will see you in the next. Okay, I'm ending the broadcast. Okay.